Our part of the list or sublist can be obtained by specifying the first and the last index in the square brackets with a colon in between. Even if we increase the last index beyond the last item in the list, there wouldn't be any errors. It will simply return until what is available. You can also use -1 to mean until the last item. And if you decrease the last index beyond the start index, again, there is no error, but it will return an empty list this time. You can also omit the last index and it will be the same as putting -1. You can do the same with the start index too. If you omit it, it will be the same as putting 0. Sometimes you would need to use variable to specify the start and end index. It works as expected, but somehow, when the variable name is a single letter, it raises an error. So if you really need to use S and E, you can put the space between the colon and the letter, and it works as the previous example.